Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract rare unzip archives in Android 14 smartphones. And to do this, we'll need to get the rare app I shown you previously on how to download. Now inside, find the files that you want to extract, click on them. Here select the arrow pointing up button to extract the entire archive. And if you want to select a single file, then just click on the icon next to it. But I'm gonna extract the entire archive anyway. So here is extraction options, and we can customize them however we like, but it's not necessary. Click on browse to change the designation where the files should go, and in this case let's go for a movies folder. When everything is set, click on OK, and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.